which type of reading is choral reading? Is it A, buddy, B, reading aloud, C, shared, or D, guided reading? Ayan. Mukha po siyang ano, no, English majorship question, pero it's actually a question na lumabas na rin po before sa GenEd English. The correct answer for number 4 is letter C. Shared po ito. Shared reading. Bakit po shared reading? We have different types of reading. Pag sinabi nating buddy reading, from the word itself, buddy, you're referring to a peer, to a friend. So, we are referring to two students, okay, or peers who are reading together, reading the text together. Pag sinabi naman nating guided, andyan po si teacher na nagfa-facilitate. Kaya po nandyan si teacher because teachers are expected to scaffold the learning experience. That explains that teacher should read the text first, then student will finish that text. Okay, ganun po no kapag guided reading. Kapag shared naman, it's also known as choral reading. Teacher will read, tapos student follows. Okay? Ayan. And of course, the last one is reading aloud. Okay? Sa reading aloud naman po, very self-explanatory. No? You're going to read the text loudly.